Welcome, today in front of me HUAWEI P20 Pro, and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So first, just go to the notification bar, and here on the left side you will see the Wi-Fi icon. Just tap on the icon to turn on the Wi-Fi. If you want to turn it off, just tap again on the icon. The second way is just go to the settings, and here tap to Wi-Fi. Now you can see the Wi-Fi switcher. If you will tap on that, you will turn it on, and at the moment you can see the all available networks on this device. For example, I will go in with this one. Now just tap here the password, and if you will tap on the eye icon, you can see the password. So now just tap to connect, and as can you see, your device has connected successfully to this network. So if you want to turn it off, you can also forget this network, just tap to forget. If you want to turn it off, just tap on the switcher again, and that's it. If you found this video helpful, leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.